Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the TP-Link Deco X50-Outdoor, hailed as the best outdoor mesh Wi-Fi system currently available. The TP-Link Deco X50-Outdoor is designed to extend ultra-performance mesh Wi-Fi 6 outdoors, whether it's your backyard, patio, or guest house. It boasts a robust, weatherproof design certified to withstand dust, rain, and other outdoor conditions. Certified waterproof and dustproof, making it ideal for outdoor deployment.
Can be easily installed on a pole or wall using a single Ethernet cable for both data and power transmission via its PoE ports. Supports both 802.3 at PoE Plus and AC power supply, eliminating the need for extra cables and adapters.
Works seamlessly with all TP-Link Deco mesh Wi-Fi systems, ensuring easy integration into your existing network. Setup is effortless with the Deco app, providing clear visual guidance and remote management capabilities.
It's also compatible with Alexa for voice commands. The Deco X50-Outdoor offers X5000 dual-band Wi-Fi, ensuring high-speed connectivity over a wide outdoor area. It supports advanced technologies like COS, quality of service, for optimized network performance. TP-Link Home Shield provides premium security features, including network and IoT protection, parental controls, security scans, and IoT device identification. In conclusion, the TP-Link Deco X50-Outdoor stands out as the top choice for anyone needing reliable, high-performance outdoor Wi-Fi.
Its weatherproof design, combined with advanced features and easy setup, makes it a standout product in the market. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech products. See you next time.